Here's a great deal on a 2005 Honda Accord. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. It includes leather upholstery, delay-off headlights, front and rear cup holders, an outside temperature display, heated seats, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.